Something that's interesting about the university is
Fun fact or tips about university, I would say.
In first year, I wish I knew how. Something I wish I knew before going to actual university would be to use the base program as a kind of a training of, like, as Daisy said, finding the balance between your social life, your academic life, and also, if you want to, the professional life, so that you can know how to manage your time as well as get to enjoy it. In first year, I wish I knew how important it is to set aside time away from school as well, and to make time for myself. It can kind of go either way. I find where people either really neglect school or just go full throttle for it, and I feel like you need to find that balance. So I really recommend working on your time management, I guess, and just really trying to set some time aside for yourself too.
That basically there's going to be someone that you can go to help for at almost any time, as long as it's not an hour before the assignment's due. So don't be afraid to go get help. There's absolutely no shame in going to get help, because you will soon discover that the problems you're going to be studying are very hard, and it would be surprising if you'd be able to do them all on your own completely without getting any hints. Another bit of advice that I give to people too, because when you've been just on your crunch time, staring at a problem for 2 hours, bashing your head against the wall, you're not really making any progress and you're not really thinking about anything differently. You're just kind of stuck. So I would say go and do something else, which is sort of counterintuitive advice because you're supposed to be working on this thing, but you're going to go do something else. But I find that just going for a quick walk, maybe going to exercise, go spend a little bit of time with a friend, when you come back, you have a new, fresh set of eyes. And then maybe you'll consider something that you haven't thought of before. So don't be afraid to get stuck also, and then don't be afraid to walk away from a problem. It's going to be there when you come back, so don't worry about that.
something that's interesting about the university is they have a lot of different clubs. So one club that I really like is the French club. I also like to learn French, and I can speak to a lot of different people that also like speaking French as well. So that's really nice to practice. There's not too many people to practice with, but that's a good group that I can practice and get to know new people, make new friends. So it's great.
Side projects and design teams, they're a great way how to have fun while still learning something related to your industry.
Fun fact or tips about university, I would say, is that for almost, I believe, every faculty, there's this small coffee shop that it's pretty cheap compared to Tim Hortons and Starbucks. And there's also usually you'll find good pastries, especially in the environment one. There's also the snacks there are much cheaper than the store that's at the SLC. So yeah.